I want to talk about the 4 year cycles for Bitcoin. Do you think Web3 gaming can break out of that 4 year cycle?
No,
Because
no.
no,
No, no, of course not. Everything is tied to Bitcoin, period. Still is, will be for years. Everybody who thinks, oh, no, no, it's different. Shut up. You're an idiot. Your gaming token is tied to Bitcoin at the end of the day, whether you like it or not. Crypto only has finite money that flows into it, and the bulk majority of that money comes from Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin pumps and your gaming ecosystem token hasn't done shit for, sorry if I can't cuss, hasn't done
you can't
jack
go
diddly
for it.
for 3 months, but is pumping because Bitcoin pumped, well, what do you say then? What do you say then? Yes, a project can flourish in a bear market. Of course, that can happen. But generally speaking, and I'm saying generally, so before you go, oh, I have an example of you're wrong. Generally speaking, everything is tied to Bitcoin and it always will be.
People don't give up gaming in a bear market. So let's say, for example, a game has like a Web 2 interface where it is a Web 3 game, but there are people who just go on and play like it's Fortnite and they're still making their in game transactions. Like, could we at least not see as big of a drop, or it's just
No,
all
it's
tied to
worse.
Bitcoin?
It's worse. It's still worse. So like, oh no, man, like there's still 10,000 people playing this first person shooter. It'll never dip. You're an idiot for thinking that if you do think that. It is going to dip worse because it's a micro cap relative to a mid or a large cap like Bitcoin. And so when Bitcoin falls 50%, your gaming token's going to fall 80%, pretty much 9 times out of 10. There's nothing you can do about it. You just got to suck it up. That's what you get for putting your funds in a coin with a $20 million market cap.
But Jimbo, what do you got to say on this?
Dude, I love the energy. I wasn't expecting that. But yeah, I pretty much agree. Not financial advice, but like during the recession there were studies that show that game sales remained stable, but the growth of the gaming industry stagnated. And you might think this gives hope for Web3 gaming to not have such huge volatile moves with their crypto, like during a crypto bear market, but while we're likely to see real gamers stick around depending on how good the game is, if it's quality, they'll continue to play the games during the bear market, but the investors are going to stop playing once there's no profit left. So the issue is that the market is propped up by investors, not the gamers.
Yep.
That being said, I believe once we're actually starting to see these quality games come out, we might be likely to see less of a pullback on the NFTs that actually have utility. But again, I'm an idiot YouTuber,
And
so
well, on that point, and I'll double down on it. If the game is the most fun game in the world, and it's like, no, that's the idea. No, we'll have a game so fun, it's like Fortnite, so it doesn't matter about a price of a token. That is stupid and foolish and short-sighted, and I'll tell you why. Fortnite at its peak, played by millions of dollars. But what if you got paid $10 every time you got a victory royale? Do you think it'd be the same amount of players? Hell no. There'd be much more players. So when that $10 for a victory royale turns into $1, then you're going to see a dip in your players. And you're like, but the game's still fun. I don't get it. It's because you're getting paid to play. I used to walk around with stepping shoes, a little NFT, carry my phone. I would get paid $100 to walk for 10 minutes. It only lasted about a week. Did I keep walking at $1 a walk? F no. F no. Did I walk at $100? Yeah. $70? Yeah. $50? Yeah. 20, I'm like, what the heck am I doing here? Maybe I need to sell these NFTs. So yeah, no, if you get paid to play, you're gonna have more players, even if it's the most fun game in the world.
Yeah,
sure.
and that was my experience with Axie Infinity. Like, I did the whole scholarship thing. I was playing myself, making over $100 a day, and my scholars were making me another $500, $600 a day. And once that, every time that went lower, I lost some scholars. I lost motivation to play myself, and that's just the spiral that keeps going down.
Yeah, yeah, we should have just dumped all our assets at the peak.
I mean, I have high hopes for this bull cycle, but I'm definitely going to be prepared from what I learned last cycle.
We all say that, then we always forget. It's gonna happen again. It'll
Yep.
happen to me again. I'm saying it now, so I'll be smarter now. I'm saying I'm stupid. I'm smart enough to know I'm too dumb to think I'm smart. I know that sounds like
I don't know.
Bilbo Baggins or something there, but
No,
there's
I get
there's,
it. I'm
there's a
already
nugget of wisdom in there.
I already feel like the FOMO, and I feel like we're barely getting started. So I'm hoping that my brain can tell me the right thing to do at the right time.
No, your brain will tell you
We'll
the
see.
wrong thing to do. The right thing to do is to do the opposite of what your brain says.
I'll keep that in mind.